Hi families, today I'm going to walk you through Google Classroom. So when your student logs into your computer under their Gmail account, they should see all of their classes, just like this. They're going to go to our homeroom class and it will pop up like this. Here is our Meet link, how we video chat every morning. And this section is called the stream, which is where you can see everything the teacher has posted. There are announcements as well as assignments. So here I've posted an announcement to parents. Parents, please complete this contact form. To complete it, you're just going to open it up and fill it out and hit submit. Now, this is also how students will be completing work until we go back to school. For students, they will go to classwork. At the top, this icon means materials. These are things that will always stay at the top. I've posted our schedule. You can just click on it to see it. Now, you know that Wednesdays are short days and we only have class until 12. So that means Wednesdays, I will post assignments down here for your student. This is the work for today. I've posted some educational links. When you click on them, these are websites your student can go to for Wednesday afternoons. There are also two other assignments. Missing numbers. When you click on this, it has directions. And you're going to click View Assignment. Now here you can see I did not put a due date because we're just practicing. When you click View Assignment, it will open it up. You're going to click on Your Work. It will put your student's name here. Your student is going to type in the numbers that are missing. You can listen to the directions here. When you're done, go back to this page and click Turn In. Turn in your work? Yes, turn in. Okay, then you can go back to our classroom. The other assignment for today is a question. What is your favorite color? All the students have to do is choose their favorite color and click Turn In. Turn in. This is how we will be using Google Classroom this year. Assignments will be posted by date. Please let us know if you have any other questions.